Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily rotate and save individual PDF pages. Let's begin. First, open up your Adobe Acrobat and then locate and open up your PDF. Once you have everything set up on your screen, you can head over here, click on it. It will be the pages section and you will notice these symbols. So you can now rotate these pages individually or manually. So we have in here, I'm going to rotate it on the left side and also on the right side. All right. Now, once you have successfully made your changes, make sure to head over here and click on save or save as. Now, another way is you can head over here, organize pages. If you have more than one page or if you have a bunch of pages to work on, this is your best option. Click over here. As you can see, all of the pages will be laid out here. So you can just click on each and individual pages, or you can select everything and then just go ahead and rotate the pages clockwise or counterclockwise. So I'm going to put this back on and make sure to hit save over here. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.